Hi guys, welcome to my channel Code with Jason. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create one normal Hibernate project with using Eclipse. Okay, so in the last video I explained about how to add the jars for Hibernate project. Jars means MySQL and Hibernate jars. So if you not watched that video, I will put that video link in description so you can go through with that. Okay, so in the last video I created one normal Hibernate project. This is the web app project. You can create any project. Okay, in that I added these jars, you can see. So in the pom.xml I added the dependency. If you want this dependency, I will put it in the comment section, these two dependency if you want. Okay, so before starting this project, okay, so Hibernate means we have to map our object with database. So how to do that? So many people having question how to do that. So I'm going to show. We'll create one XML file. This is the configuration file we are saying XML. So you will get .xml. Click on next. After that you have to give the name of this file. So I will give hibernate.cfg.xml. File name can be anything, but cfg.xml should be there. You can give anything in the place of Hibernate. Okay, click on finish. You will get one XML page like that. So before starting Hibernate, you should add one DTD. DTD means there is one I will give in the description. DTD. Okay, wait, I will show. This is the Hibernate DTD. From where will you get means you will get it from Hibernate main official website, or you can try search in Google, you will get it. Okay, after adding this, click on Ctrl S. Okay, after that open one anchor tag, you will get one Hyper configuration tag. This is coming with the help of this link. Okay, so I will give one space. So inside that you have to add one session factory. Session factory will get. So inside that you have to add all the properties of the Hibernate. So these are the properties you have to use here. So copy paste here. So actually this is the format of the Hibernate. So it is not like new thing, it is always similar only. So you have to copy paste it, or you can type it also. So if you want, I will give this project in the description, GitHub link. From there you can download this. Okay, in this first is dialect. We are using MySQL workbench here. If you're using SQL developer, for that different dialect will be there. So if you want, I will give that in the comment section also. So after that connection driver, you are using MySQL JDBC driver here, so no issue. So in the URL path we are using localhost, and this is the DB means the database name. So we still didn't create any database now, so I will create it and let me show. So I will give one database name as student_db. So with the help of this we have to create one database, but we should not create any table in database. This creation of table will happen automatically with the help of object mapping relationship. So I will show this later. So after that we are giving username as root. So you have to check what is the username you have given for this MySQL workbench, or you can use any other workbench also. In the password I am giving empty because I don't know the password. So if you know the password you can give. and this is the very important operation is happening here. So HPM to DDL means when first time you're creating some firing the query, it will create one table, and the next time if you're sending any values, it is not creating, it is updating that value in database. So this will I will explain in the another video deeply. So now no need to worry about this. And this is the show SQL method. What is the use of this is if you're running any Java application, if you're sending any data, it will show the SQL query, not SQL, HQL query, and what is the operation is happening there. So I will show this, what is the use of this line I will later. Okay. So before that I'm going to my database and just create a database, and the name is same as this one I'm giving, student underscore. Okay. After that show data bases I'm giving. So running this one. For running this I'm giving control enter button, or you can use this one also. After that this query is executed, and the next query is this one. Cannot get database exists. Okay. Yeah, show db is already created here by running this query. Okay, now no issue. So I will create one .java application. I will give as student is enough. So in that you have to create one private variables, id private name. So this is a string type name, the private phone number. Phone number is also given string type. After that you have to create one generate. In the source you have to give us generate getters and setters. Okay, select all, click on generate. So this is my table name student, and said that 3 columns are there, id, name and phone number. So I'm giving as entity. Okay, entity. So you guys are having a question of what is entity and all. Entity means like it is the head of the database, means it is the Hibernate is assumed that this is the main Pojo class and the name should be student, or you can change the student to any other name also, but now we are not doing that. Inside any table we should have one primary key also. For that we are giving at id. So id means it should be Java persistence. So here 2 packages are imported. Okay, now I'm going to that hibernate.config file. Here I am giving this project class name student. So I am delete this one I needed now. Okay, so you see this one is under com.hiv dot student. Okay, so now we have to create one more Java for calling the session factory. After the session factory, we have to pass the values for this project class. After that, we have to commit the session and close the session. So for that, one class should be there, and this one is I'm giving main name, and this class is generated inside this com.hibernate package. Okay, so I will run as sorry, I didn't started the main method only. Starting project. After that, I'm using configuration cfg is equal to new configuration. So you guys think like, what is this configuration? These are the main steps for creating Hibernate. So if you're seeing first time, you will see what is this, but these are the similar method we have to follow for any Hibernate application. After that, you have to do configure means you have to add that HBM XML file, config file name is ours is hibernate.cfg.xml. after that, we have to call session factory. Factory is equal to cfg dot build session factory. It will get one building the session factory. After that, we have to call that project class. Project class is our student su is equal to new student. Passing su dot, you have to choose get id. For passing value, we can do anything. We can pass anything. So this should be set ID because we are setting and not getting. Set name. I'm giving my name. After that, su dot set phone number, giving random number. Okay. So after passing this, we have to call session session is the main operation here. Session is equal to, we have to call this factory that we have created, factory dot open session. There is two options are the get current session and open session. We are keeping open session. After that, session dot, we have to begin that transaction, means taking that value to the project class, and after taking that we have to save means insert operation is happening. What we have to save? su means our object name, that is the project class object name. After that, taking to save, we have to commit it, session dot take the transaction dot commit. If you do this much, all the operation is successfully done. After that, session dot close. This is the important method. Okay, so wait. Okay, now I'm running this query. Let me see what we will get. Starting of the project, and it is loading the Hibernate, and we get one validation factory. So now I'm running this. I'm getting one error. So I'm getting these many errors because of table name. Actually, what is the issue is, I just changed from MySQL dialect to MySQL 5 dialect. So this is the issue I'm getting. Because of that, I'm getting a lot of exceptions. So now I'm giving new data 39, some numbers I'm changing. If I run it, I'm getting one query here. Insert into student name where values are passed. So this from where this query is printing, because of that Hibernate show SQL. If it is true, then only we are able to get the query. We'll go to database and now we run this. See, two data are entered just now. This one I entered. So by this way you can add data to the database easily. So I think this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubt, let me ask in the comment section. I will try to reply that. And if you like my video contents, you can go through and subscribe to my channel. If you still having doubt like how to add charts, already created one video, so I will give the link in description. You can go through with that. Okay, thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.